Okay. What about the second half? So I want to reset my mu scores going. Hey, oh, there we go. Yeah. So probably shouldn't have this on an external hard drive when I'm trying to stream it. Okay, let's do just the first half of the second half. The first time through of the second half. Yeah. First time round, second time round, there's a slight difference. Yeah, there. So. This is going to be an interesting one. I'll just select 4 bars here. You see, I'm going to show you guys. It's these 4 bars in my sheet music here. If I just zoom in and maybe make it a wee bit bigger so it actually, you can see it on stream. Yeah, so it's that. And if I just do that. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing here in the Bouzouki for that. It's a tricky one. This is quite a because there's quite a few chord changes in this, so I'm gonna do it really slow. Da, da, da. So we've heard that before. Da, da, dum. So that's going to be, if I just get rid of these. Oh. Yeah. So. Oh, I'm on the right fret. Let me see. Yeah, that makes more sense. A, G, D. E minor, so. So I'm just going to play the. Okay, so to cut all the rubbish out of the way, what we're just looking for purely melodically is this. No, it's this. I'll just slow that all down. So,